sushi eh.
Hi guys! Sorry for being late. Grabe traffic kasi talaga.
Kanina pa kami dito. Saan ka ba galing? Ano ba sinakay mo?
Well, I made angkas to this motor. You know the one that's for hire?
Nagmotor ka lang?
Yeah.
Oo, akala ko ba sosyal ka?
Well, I wanna get here ng mabilis eh. So don't make usisa na with my ride.
Okay. Sige. Umorder ka na lang ng gusto mo.
Alright.
Kuya, waiter!
Yes, ma'am. Order po.
Order.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Hi, Kuya.
Hello.
For appetizer, I want egg waffles. Do you have that?
Egg waffles?
Yeah.
Ano po yun?
The one that's binalot in this orange na arena that you see in the kalye?
Kwek-kwek!
Yeah, that's the one.
Quick.
Yeah.
Ma'am, sorry po. Wala po kaming ganun dito eh.
Okay, that's alright, no problem. How about let's just do blanch green leafy vegetables with crushed tomatoes in this sweet and spicy salted seafood paste. Yeah.
Sorry, ma'am. Ano po yun?
The one that you get from the likod ng bahay, that green leafy vegetables with the kamatis, and then you make sausaw with this sweet and spicy, maalat na, maliliit na shrimps.
Yung talbos ng kamote na may pinisang kamatis, tapos may sausawa na bagoong alamang, di ba?
Talbos ng kamote. Wala po, ma'am. Sorry po.
Oh. Well, how about the other green leafy vegetables? You know, the one that you get from the estero or the sapa near the Itikan?
Kangkong?
Yeah, that's the one.
Kangkong. Ma'am, sorry po. Wala po kaming kangkong dito.
Okay, fine. I'll just skip the appetizer and let's just go to the main meal, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
All right, so I want baboy entrails, okay, with a creamy sour chocolate soup.
Sorry, ma'am. Ano po yun?
The one that you eat with puto. Do you know that?
Dinuguan!
Yeah! Ayan ang
Dinuguan.
chocolate soup.
Okay, meron po kami, ma'am. Sige po, isa pong dinuguan.
Yeah. Okay, but you know what, waiter? I want to eat it with steamed rice. Not puto, because I don't like puto at all. I mean, who loves puto, right? Yeah, and make it 3 cups.
Tatlong
And
taas.
please, yes, give me ice cold water.
Okay.
Ice water.
Ice tubig. Sige po,
Alright,
ma'am.
thank you
Okay.
so much. You're so good. Yeah. Hi, guys. So, ano na? Ang dami nyo na kina.
Ma'am, pa-follow po yung dalawang yan.
Yes, maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Ayan. Kain tayo. Ayan, oh.
Hindi ka gumagamit ng tinidor.
Ganito ako kumakain sa bahay eh. Bakit ba? Bakit ka matawa? Bakit ka matawa?
Ang ingay mo kasing umuna eh. Kambing ka ba?
Ano pa kanyo?
Ay, hindi, natatawa lang kami kasi akala namin sosyal ka. Yun pala, squammy.
Are you making me lait ba? Ha? Ano ba natulan? No, girl! No, girl! Ay! Kasi nagigilingin ako dito sa dalawang to eh! They really think that I'm not gonna make taton? I'm really gonna make sugar and I'm gonna really something and I'm gonna really have sex on the both of you!
Diba?
And then you're calling me guys squirmy in this fine dining restaurant! That is so offensive!
Ay, squammy nga.
That's it! Gulo na kung gulo! Ay! 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 Ano? Tawa-tawa na kayo? Tawa kayo? Ha? Ano? Ano? Ma'am, may
You lost!